everybody. I really do hope you enjoy my videos. If you do, please help me out and subscribe. As you can see here, only 7.9% of my subscribers actually watch these videos. If you're watching the video anyways, you might as well subscribe. It is totally free, and I would really appreciate it. Hey, what's going on, everybody? How you doing? Sorry I haven't had much time lately to pump out many videos, but I wanted to show you what is going to be coming up next on this channel. I did go ahead and get the Roborock Q5 Plus, as you can see. I'm going to show you everything that comes with the box, talk about it just a little bit, and then I will be doing a full review on this in a few days. If there's anything specific you want to see or know about this, please let me know down in the comments, and I will try to answer or make a video for you. Has 2700 PA suction, has the same 5200 mAh battery, which is very good. I wish all robots had a large battery like this. And then here is everything that is included in the box. So you got the docking station. It does come in 2 pieces, but it's very simple. There's 6 screws on the bottom that you tighten. It even comes with a little Allen wrench screwdriver in the bottom. Took about 30 seconds to tighten. Very easy. Of course, the robot itself, you got the user's manual, power cable, a brush with a little hair cutter built in for the roller bar, an extra dirt bag. This one works a little bit different as far as the top. You actually pull off this entire top, and that gives you access to the bag. Once it's full, of course, you just pull that up, and you get to throw it right into your trash can. No big mess. And I really like the dirt bags on these robot vacuums. I like them much better than the canisters that you have to manually empty. So the design of this robot is a little bit different looking than most. It's the first and newest. This is a different type of dirt bin construction here. And you pinch here and it pulls right up. And then it has the dirt bin kind of attached to it. Nice and easy, pops right in. Does have the clickable dome so it won't get stuck underneath your furniture or like a bed frame. Flipping this guy over. Very similar on the bottom, single rubber side brush. And then it has a rubber and brush roller bar. So yeah, there's the quick unboxing for you. Like I said, I'll be doing a full review on this, and I have it clean my entire floor plan, and I'll compare it to the other robots like the S7 and see if I recommend this just as much as that, because some people just don't care about the mop. The mop to me is definitely less important than the vacuuming ability of these. So if you enjoy this at all, please do me a favor, smash that like button. Consider subscribing, it really does help me. And if you're interested at all in this, I will put a link down below that'll take you straight to Amazon. Thanks everyone for watching. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next one.